We have all been pleasantly surprised by how competitive the CPL season is turning out to be so far, with the early pronouncements from people like the Maverick that the Trinbago Knight Riders would be coming up against the Trinbago Knight Riders for the first, second, and third place. But instead, Barbados Royals have been the runaway leaders. Jamaica Talawas are win and lose. St. Lucia Kings are win and lose. The big bad Knight Riders have also been winning and losing. And certainly, they don't look out of class like we expected them to look. When you look at the teams game by game, any one of about 5 teams have the quality to win the CPL this season. But saying this and saying that, though, I think the Knight Riders toying with the field. A team with Sunil Narayan, Akil Hussain, Kyrie Peer, and then Nicholas Pooran, Colin Monroe, Kyron Pollard, and Andre Russell must be the big favorites to go all the way. Me think them a trick way. Yes. Them a play possum, taking it easy in the early part of the tournament. And when the semi-finals start, them are going to turn it up. Yes. And that's going to happen. Yes, watch Trinbago Knight Riders. Go Talawas!